Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract an electron from another atom to form a chemical bond. So as we go from the lithium atom to fluorine, you get more protons in the nucleus and valence electrons added to the outer shell, so the shielding electrons do not change and the effective nuclear charge increases. So therefore, as we move from the left to the right of the periodic table, the electronegativity of the atom increases. And as we move down the periodic table, so towards the increasing energy levels, additional shells get added to the atom, and therefore you have more shielding electrons that reduce the effective nuclear charge of the nucleus, and therefore its capability of attracting an electron from another atom. So therefore the electronegativity decreases as we move down the periodic table.